Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. This is Ashwati. Today I'm gonna show you all how I pleat and fold my sari in such a way that I can wear it in flat 2 minutes. So there are saris which looks really beautiful. At the same time it might be really heavy, so it is little difficult for us to handle, and also in that way it would take a lot of time for wearing it. So this method is perfect if you have such kind of saris, especially those pattu saris or silk saris. Those saris are really beautiful. At the same time it might be little heavy, that makes it little difficult to wear it. So just try this method, and it's gonna save a lot of time. What the main benefit of this method is that we can just fold it in such a way and travel with it, or else we can do this previous day of the function, and then keep it just like so, and wear it in flat 2 minutes guys, 2 minutes. So here I have taken this pattu sari. It's a beautiful sari, but at the same time it's little heavy, so it's little difficult to manage and handle. So what I'm going to do is, first I'll be taking the pleats. At first it didn't come out perfectly, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the pleats the way I want it to be, and then I'll be taking pleats. So in second time it will come out perfectly, don't worry. Once it is done, just hold those pleats very tightly with your hands, and then just secure it with a safety pin, just like so. Always try to secure it with secure it in horizontal way, so I feel that it holds the pleats little better than that of vertical way. So once it is done, just arrange the pleats just with your hands itself, so that it falls in perfect way. So once it is done, just place the sari on top of ironing table, and then again we need to repeat the same. Just arrange the pleats and again secure it with safety pin. After that, just take a heavy book, or just a thick book, and then place it over on top of the sari. Then again we can take the pleats, but this time it will be much easier because there is something that holds the sari very well, so it will be very easy for us to like take the pleats. So always take your pleats, iron it really well, and then secure it with safety pin. Repeat the same till you reach at the shoulder part. Just repeat the same thing. can get pleats perfectly no matter how stiff our sari is, no matter how heavy our sari is. After that, just see the length of this pallu part where it falls, and adjust it accordingly, and then secure the pleats at the shoulder part, exactly the shoulder part. If you guys can see, my safety pin was secured just a little bit forward, so I'll be removing that and just securing it at my shoulder part. And then rest of the pleats I'll be just spreading it in such a manner, and then I'll be ironing it again, so that when we wear it, it just falls perfectly. Now we need to take the pleats which comes at the front part, at the what we call it as at the navel part. So what we need to do is we just need to wear the sari, not the exactly the same way we are gonna wear the sari, but just to get an idea, just wear the sari, and then we need to take the pleats at the front portion, just like so. So it's up to you guys. Some people take from left hand side, and some people take it from right hand side. So as per your convenience, you can go ahead and take pleats. So I like to take it in this way. Just I'm gonna take the pleats the way I usually take my pleats. Now just arrange the pleats perfectly, and just place it to ironing table, and just give it a good iron. Make sure that it is pressed really well. Now secure other side of pleat with safety pin, and for folding the sari, make sure that this pleats, that is this pallu part, is to your side, and then just fold the way I am showing right now. I am very poor at explaining things. I think you guys must have already understood that by this time. So please follow the way just I'm gonna show you guys right now. Now if you are traveling, you can fold the sari in this way, and also your blouse and underskirt, fold it as well and put it inside the sari, just the way I'm gonna show you guys right now. Or else if you are not traveling, or if you do not want to pack your sari, what you can do is just pleat and just fold your sari and put it in a hanger. You need not fold it in this way, still you can wear it whenever you want it to be, and this is very compact, very convenient. While you are traveling, just put it in your suitcase or bag, and you are like good to go. Now I'm going to show you guys how to wear this sari. First, just tie your underskirt very tightly. I prefer tying it in my mid waist rather than going to side waist, because I always feel that the tie would bulge out if you are tying it to like one side, especially if you do not have that much like waist or that much fat on your tummy. It's better to tie it on your mid waist, and then tie a knot at the end of sari and tuck in really well inside that underskirt. And then do not tuck in the pleats right now. What you have to do is just rotate your sari and then take that part to your shoulder, just the way I'm gonna show you guys right now. So after pinning your sari to shoulder, we are gonna adjust it later on. So just put your sari all around and then adjust the length of your shoulder. I think we need not adjust the length of the pallu, because that thing is already done while we are ironing. That thing is already sorted. And by the way, I forgot to tell you guys that before wearing sari, make sure that you remove the remove the safety pin at the other side of the what we call it as pleats at the waist part. Now just secure at your shoulder part with safety pin, and then now just adjust the pleats at the front part, at the bust area or like chest area, and then just pull that part really well and secure it with a safety pin, and make sure that you secure that sari part with the underskirt as well. Okay, just like so. Make sure that you pull that sari very tightly and secure it. And then I'll be taking this pleated part and adjusting that what we call it as, I really don't know what to call it. Adjust the side part, and then once it is like all right, just adjust the pleats and just tuck it inside your underskirt, and that's it. It's done. Then once it is done, we can actually adjust later on. So as of now, just arrange the pleats really well and then just tuck it in, just like so. So once it is done, whatever fabric or whatever sari part is extra is there, just again pull it and tuck it in. Now we will have to adjust this side part and secure it with safety pin. Now just pull it up, pull it really well and secure it with a safety pin. Once you are securing, when you are securing this like this side part, make sure that you are securing it together with the pleats. Okay, now by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, this necklace is a Lakshmi necklace and earrings, which is very beautiful, very good quality. So I have bought it from Amazon and it was just for 400 rupees, guys. 400, and it's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys again because I'm gonna do a haul video which is gonna be up pretty soon, but still I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box. If in case if you guys want to check it out, you can. And then that sari part, the pleats, first pleat is there, no, you can pull that and if you want, we can secure it so that it gives a straight pleat, but then it's up to you guys. Some people prefer doing so, some people doesn't prefer doing so. So this is the final look. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. So if so, you guys know what to do. Please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, whatever safety pin is there at the pleat part, please do remove it. Even if you want, you can keep that last pin, safety pin there. Even if you do not want to keep it, you can take it. Since we have ironed it really well, it's gonna be secure enough. So I need to apologize to you all for the poor explanation. I'm very bad at it. I know that. I'm really sorry for that, but I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. So as I said, please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.